What if one of the most iconic British roadsters ever built suddenly returned? But with modern performance, luxury technology, and breathtaking design. Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. This is the 2026 Austin-Healey 100. A stunning revival of a classic sports car that once ruled the golden age of open-top driving. In this video, we'll explore its timeless exterior design, luxurious modern interior, powerful engine options, pricing, and expected release date. And trust me, if you love classic roadsters, this car might become your new dream machine. Starting at the front, the 2026 Austin-Healey 100 immediately captures attention with its unmistakable heritage design. The centerpiece is the large oval grille, finished with elegant vertical chrome slats that pay tribute to the legendary Healey models of the 1950s. It's a design that instantly communicates classic British sports car DNA. On both sides of the grille sit round LED headlights, blending vintage styling with modern lighting technology. The circular shape stays true to the original Roadster, while the LED rings add a modern signature. Below, the chrome bumper details and subtle lower air intake enhance the car's refined yet sporty personality. And then there's the hood. Long, sculpted, and beautifully curved, it stretches forward in true classic Roadster fashion, giving the Austin-Healey that timeless grand touring presence. Moving to the side profile, this is where the Healey truly shines. The proportions are absolutely perfect. A long hood, short rear deck, and low-slung body create the kind of silhouette that sports car designers have been chasing for decades. The smooth, flowing body lines emphasize elegance rather than aggression, making the car look refined yet powerful. One subtle detail that adds personality is the thin red accent stripe running along the side of the body, a modern touch that enhances the car's sporty character. The Roadster rides on black multi-spoke performance wheels, which contrast beautifully against the soft white body paint. And of course, the open-top convertible layout remains one of the car's most defining features. Driving this car isn't just about speed. It's about experiencing the road, the sound of the engine, and the open sky above you. At the rear, the design becomes even more elegant and modern. The back of the car features slim horizontal LED taillights, which stretch across the rear fenders and create a sleek contemporary lighting signature. The trunk proudly displays the Austin-Healey name, reminding everyone of the legacy this car carries. Lower down, a dual exhaust system sits prominently in the center, hinting at the Roadster's performance potential. Combined with the subtle rear diffuser and smooth curves of the bodywork, the rear design feels both modern and timeless at the same time. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Austin-Healey 100 blends classic craftsmanship with modern luxury. The interior features premium leather seats in a striking red and black combination that gives the cockpit a sporty yet luxurious feel. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused, featuring modern digital gauges inspired by classic analog designs. At the center of the dashboard sits the Austin-Healey 100 logo, proudly celebrating the car's heritage. Ambient red lighting flows across the cabin, highlighting the premium materials and creating a dramatic atmosphere during nighttime drives. The center console integrates modern controls for infotainment and driving modes, making the car feel both elegant and technologically advanced. Under the hood, the new Austin-Healey 100 is expected to feature a modern turbocharged engine delivering impressive performance. Estimated specifications include around 300 to 350 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds, rear-wheel drive layout, optional 6-speed manual transmission. With its lightweight roadster design and balanced chassis, this car promises a pure and engaging driving experience. The 2026 Austin-Healey 100 is expected to start at around $75,000 to $95,000 US. The official reveal is likely to happen in late 2025, with global deliveries beginning in 2026. The new Austin-Healey 100 proves that classic sports car legends can return with modern style and performance. It captures the spirit of the original roadster while offering the comfort and technology of a modern sports car. And for enthusiasts who love timeless design and pure driving excitement, this might be one of the most beautiful roadsters of the decade. So what do you think about the return of the Austin-Healey 100? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive reviews and future car reveals.